Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious, healthy and homely khichdi. This is a Moong Dal Khichdi. This is made basically in every Odia household and also made in temples. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहउछन्ते देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन र लिंक को क्लिक करंतु. So I'll be making it in a pressure cooker. So first in a pressure cooker heat 2 tablespoons of ghee. To that add 1 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 2 cinnamon sticks, 3 green cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves, 7 to 8 black peppercorns. Saute the whole spices for a minute. Then add few cashew nuts. Roast the cashew nuts till they are golden. After that add few raisins and roast till they puff up. Next add 1.5 cup of washed Govind Bhog rice. You can also use basmati rice, and half cup of washed moong dal. To that add 1 teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Saute the rice and dal on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. Then add 3 teaspoons of sugar. Give it a good mix. And finally add half cup of grated coconut and mix well. Add 3 cups of water. Note that rice to water ratio should be 1:2. Give it a mix. Add 2 sliced green chilies and grate half inch of ginger. Add 1/4 teaspoon of hing. Give everything a mix. Cover the lid and pressure cook on medium flame till 1 whistle. Let the steam release by itself. Our khichdi is ready. Finally add 1 teaspoon of ghee and mix. This adds a different texture to the khichdi. Serve the khichdi hot. I have garnished it with few roasted cashew nuts on top and a little fresh coconut. So our delicious homely Moong Dal Khichdi is ready. This type of Moong Dal Khichdi is made in every Odia household on any festivals and occasions, and this is very delicious and comforting. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. If you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.